First of all, we need to search twin range filter in the search box of TradingView. Then we have to click on the indicator settings. Then we have to change the fast period to 30, the fast range to 5, the slow period to 50, and the slow range to 4. Then leave the style section on the default mode. So whenever the indicator issues a long signal, you can open a buy trade. And whenever it issues a short signal, you can open a sell trade. Now let's check it out on Bitcoin and 4-hour time frame. A long signal issued by the twin range indicator and it made 6% profit on the spot mode. The next one is a short signal which made 4% profit on the spot mode. And the next long signal made 2% profit. Now it's time to apply the next indicator to the chart. We will search for Twix money flow in the search box of TradingView. In which we have to change some settings. In the style, change the opacity of colors 0 and 1 to 100%. Then change the opacity of color 2 to 0%. After that, disable Twix money flow line, upper threshold and lower threshold. Then in the inputs, change the TMF to 4, upper threshold to 0 and also the lower threshold to 0. Whenever the bars are green and above the 0 level, our buy signals are confirmed. And whenever the bars are red and below the 0 level, our sell signals are confirmed. But if you like to have a continuous profit in the financial markets, you can join our Telegram channel and use the TradingGenius group signals. For example, there's a long signal here, and if I draw a vertical line, the bar of TMF is green and is above the 0 line, so this long signal is valid. The next one is a short signal, and if I draw a vertical line, the TMF histogram is red and it is below the 0 level, so this short signal is also valid. Check it out this example to better understand these two indicators. If you get to learn something new in our channel, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now let's complete our setup by adding the last indicator to the chart. We will search for Q trend in the search box of the TradingView. After that, we need to make some adjustments. So except for trend line and bar color, get rid of all other options. Then leave the inputs in the default mode. Now let's check it out, the trading rules of our strategy. For a buy signal, a long signal should be issued by the twin range filter. Then the histogram of the TMF indicator should be green and above 0 level. And for the last confirmation, the candlestick and the Q trend line should be green. So now we can open a buy trade at the close price of the 3 candlestick. the stop loss should be set slightly below the last swing of the market. And the first take profit should be set at 1.5 times greater than the risk. The second target would be 3 times greater than the risk. And the third target would be set at 6 times greater than the risk. So whenever the market touched the first target, move the stop loss to the entry price. After that, whenever the price touched the second target, move the stop loss to the first target price. By using this method, you will get the most profit out of any trade. For a sell signal, a short signal should be issued by the twin range filter. The histogram of the TMF indicator should be red and below the zero level. And for the last rule, the candlestick and the Q trend line should be red. The entry price of a sell order must be the close price of our trigger candlestick. Set the stop loss above the last swing of the market. And then set the first target to 1.5 times greater than the risk. The second target should be set at 3 times greater than the risk. And the third target should be set at 6 times greater than the risk. So whenever the market touched the first target, move the stop loss to the entry price. And if the market continued and touched the second target, move the stop loss to the first target.